Cars and coffee, which one to take? It's probably been 2 years since the DeLorean's been to Cars and Coffee, and I just had the Ferrari out yesterday. So we take as a D. Can't argue with that. Oh look, it's another DeLorean. These are still somewhat attainable.
They're starting to.
Are they?
Yeah,
Ah, my nemesis. The car that I still have not been able to lay my hands on.
there was one for sale at the car, guys.
I know. You know, it's funny. I don't know what.
A Quantum and another Triumph and something else in between.
And I could have had one of these.
Could have had one.
Could have had one.
Same exact car.
It's got a Ford V8.
Wow. That's aggressive. Huh. Wow. That's wow. I'd like to see the shoehorn they used to get that in there.
Yeah, that's
Right start of the morning here at Annapolis Cars and Coffee. Now we go to the project of the day, and that is the expansion of the TR3 wrench footprint. Hi, Ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to TR3 wrench time. Indeed, actually, for real, yo. I have done something that is going to make it more likely that this project moves forward. I am not going to say completes, because that is just like your opinion, man. But in order to move this project forward, I have rented more space. So our shop has a downstairs, and we are going to get some stuff done in here, my friends. That's what's going to happen. We are going to get into it here. So welcome to the new TR3 wrench studio. Needs a little work. Let's get into it.
Holy fuck.
That is Mama Cricket.
That is ridiculous. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, I got some bug spray. Some like industrial strength bug spray I can put in a hand can and bring it over here. Okay. Take. Yeah. Because why use a brand new spray bottle that you just bought at freaking Home Depot when you could walk upstairs twice? Round two.
Say I don't know.
All right, that'll do it for the expansion of the TR3 wrench footprint into more shop space. So we got a lot of work to do down here. We got to get the other TR3 down here. That's the next step. But first, coming up, spoiler alert, we have to redo the timing belt job on this car because they didn't replace the water pump when they did it, and the water pump is now making noise. So if you want to see a timing belt-ish job on a 2.2 liter Audi 5-cylinder engine here, we're gonna be getting into that just to replace the water pump. So parts on the way. That'll be an upcoming episode. Check it out. We did get the BMW wheels on it. Also, a bit of a spoiler alert. I think we have found a home for the Grapho-type dog tag machine from a way back video. And I think that might be a mission worthy of the Quantum when we get that water pump installed. So, hey, thank you so much for watching. We'll be down here quite a bit now, starting this winter. We're gonna be finishing up, not finishing up, but we're gonna be getting this TR3 on the road for the springtime. That is the goal. Follow along, watch, like, subscribe. At 2,000 subscribers, there is going to be a giveaway. Got some updates on that coming shortly. Engine build underway. So the car will be running and driving again with a freshly built 1.6 liter normally aspirated diesel from 1986. So like and subscribe, tell all your friends. TR3 wrench. It's happening. We're a happening place. See you next time.